Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now just a quick update on these plants. These are the cabbage, and over there in the right you see the broccoli. Now these are 2 weeks after sowing the seedlings. This is how they look 2 weeks after. So you can see they're growing very fast, and I've only been using water for this period, only water. Next week I'll start using Nourish in the water to water it as well. So on these broccoli, sure you can see that some of them have been damaged, and these are because caterpillar was taking the plant. They were biting up the leaves and all that. So what I did yesterday I sprayed it with a little bit of Indox, and that's an insecticide. So I had to use a little bit of Indox to spray to get rid of the caterpillars. So no caterpillars on it, because yesterday when I look underneath the leaves you could see some green caterpillars, some little small ones. As you can see now, no sign of any caterpillars on the plant. Whenever you're gonna spray young plants like these using insecticide, you have to be very careful because you don't want it to burn the plant because they're very young. So you want to use the least amount of spray of insecticide as you can. So you just mix that up in a little pan, a little spray pan with some dietane or mangosem, just a little bit to get rid of the insects. Right here again, you can see the leaves. I think that's a dead caterpillar. Yeah, that's a dead caterpillar. Hey, if this was alive, I'd be scared right now because I'm afraid of caterpillars. I know, don't like them, so that's one's a dead caterpillar. And I'm sure some people are gonna comment and say, oh, you should use soap or something like that to get rid of the caterpillars, and all those chemicals are unhealthy. But people, please understand, I am not doing organic farming. I must emphasize, I am not doing organic farming, so I'm going to use pesticides and all those things. You have another caterpillar again. This one look fresh, man. This not dead. So I'm gonna have to give this a second spray. Gonna have to give this a second spray. Try and get rid of all these pests. All these pests. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna give you another update when it's 4 weeks. So until then, see you guys.